discuss about kidneys. So let's get started. What are kidneys? The kidneys are two reddish brown bean shaped organs found in vertebrates. They are located on the left and right in the retroperitoneal space. They receive blood from the perirenal arteries. Blood exists into the perirenal veins. Each kidney is attached to a ureter, a tube that carries excreted urine to the bladder. The size of the kidney is 10 cm in length, 5 to 6 cm in breadth, and 4 cm in thickness. The position of the right kidney is lower than the left kidney due to the pressure of liver above. Internal structure of the kidney. It shows two distinct regions. Dark colored outer zone is called cortex and pale inner zone called medulla. Each kidney is made up of approximately more than 1 million, 1.3 to 1.8 million microscopic and thin tubular functional units called nephrons or uriniferous tubules. Structure of nephron. The nephron is the microscopic structure and functional unit of the kidney. It is composed of a Malpighian body and renal tubule. Malpighian body. It consists of a blind cup shaped border end of nephron called Bowman's capsule and bunch of fine blood capillaries called glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together called Malpighian capsules or renal capsule. Bowman's capsule, which accommodates one glomerulus, is lined by a single layer of squamous epithelial cells called podocyte cells. There are fine pores between podocyte cells to allow passage of material filtered out of glomerulus. Renal tubule. It has three parts: proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubules open into a collecting tube. Collecting tube from pyramids and calyces which open into the pelvis. Pelvis leads into the ureter. All the parts of the renal tubule are conveyed by a network of peritubular capillaries formed from efferent arteriole. The peritubular capillaries join to form renal venule, which joins the other venules to form finally the renal vein. Mechanisms of urine formation. Formation of urine involves 4 stages: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion, concentration of urine. Glomerular filtration. Blood flows from renal artery to glomerulus through efferent arteriole. Tubular reabsorption. Filtrate from glomerular is also called primary urine, which almost equal to blood in chemical composition, except to the presence of blood cells. It passes into proximal convoluted tubule. Useful substances in primary urine are reabsorbed into peritubular network. Tubular secretion. Tubular secretion is the transfer of materials from peritubular capillaries to the renal tubular. It is the opposite process of reabsorption. This secretion is caused mainly by active transport and passive diffusion. Usually only a few substances are secreted and are typically waste products. Concentration of urine. 75% of water content of nephric filtrate is reabsorbed in the region of proximal convoluted tubule. 10% of water passes out of filtrate through osmosis in the area of loop of Henle. Further concentration of urine takes place in the area of collecting tubes in the presence of hormone called vasopressin. The hormone is secreted only when concentrated urine is to be passed out. Kidney diseases. The most common form of kidney disease is chronic kidney disease. Next, kidney stones. Next, glomerulonephritis. Next, polycystic kidney disease. Next, urinary tract infections. In 1954, the Joseph E. Murray and his team performing the first successful kidney transplant in 1954, using as a donor the recipient's identical twins. The first kidney transplantation in India was done on 1st December 1971 at the Christian Medical College. Vellore, Tamil Nadu.
If you need like these important matters, please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you everybody.